Having a healthy roof, it is important, especially living in a harsh climate like the Valley of the Sun. This is Lori Clark. She's the owner of Right Way Roofing. She's here to talk about her roofing materials and what makes her company different. It is so rare. I was sharing with you. You're a female-owned contracting company. Kudos to you.
Thank you.
First off, tell us about your company.
So my husband is a third-generation roofing contractor here in Arizona. His grandfather started one of the first roofing companies here in the '63.
Wow.
And then 20 years ago, we branched off on our own and started Right Way Roofing, and we've just been having a ball ever since.
I love this. So 20 years in the business. So today we're going to talk about a term you may not have heard, tile underlayments. We think roof, we think it's just, you know, the pretty tiles up there, but you said it's so much more than that.
Right, absolutely. So there is a huge misconception out there that the tile is actually what protects the home and waterproofs the home. It's not. The tile is not waterproof, and it's there to serve two purposes. It's there to protect the underlayment and look pretty.
Oh,
that's it.
That's it. So we need good stuff underneath the tile.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
This is the roof system. The roof system is the underlayment. That's the waterproofing. So there are a lot of different types of underlayments out there. One of which is what we call a synthetic. It's basically like a tarp. It's plastic. As you can see, it frays, and we're seeing these fail in under 8 years.
Pretty tattered here.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, we're seeing it fail in, like I said, under 8 years in the valley here. It's just so hot here. We don't recommend plastic on a roof.
Okay.
You have another underlayment here that, you know, as you can see, it's kind of got, it sticks down to the deck. It's a peel and stick product, so it sticks down to the deck, which we don't want to do because you don't have room for expansion and contraction.
And it gets hot here.
It's super hot. It's just so hot. So, and this is, you know, like a fiberglass top here, kind of like feels like cotton. And, you know, we have found that the rats peel this off for their nests and then they chew through it.
We don't want to make a roof rat
no.
comfortable on our roof.
No,
for sure.
we don't.
All right, so what if tiles are broken and you have something like this?
Well, what's going to happen is these products can only be in the sun for up to 6 months before they start deteriorating. So in the event of a broken tile, which everybody has broken tile, you're going to see where it starts to fail on these and it's going to start to deteriorate. That's why we use a rubberized modified bitumen. This is a rubberized asphalt. As you can see, it's very thick. It's granulated on top. So what we've done, because my husband's a perfectionist,
I like this,
is we use this under tile. It's actually meant for a flat roof all by itself. So we use this under tile, so we've created a lifetime bulletproof system.
This is thick and durable. In comparison, there really isn't one.
Yeah,
I hear you don't ask for money down.
We don't.
Why
we
is that?
don't. Well, I want my customers to be satisfied and happy and believe in us, and we're not going to ask for a dime until the job's completed.
All right, so when you think about the roof, again, that's the foundation of the entire home. So when you have to replace your roof or you have to fix it, you want a warranty. You want to know that what you're putting up there is a good investment. Do you have a warranty?
Absolutely.
Do you offer customers warranties?
Yes, we offer some of the best warranties in the business. Using this under the tile, we're able to offer a 30-year workmanship guarantee, which you want to look at the contractor's warranty. The contractor's warranty is telling you how much they believe in their roof system. So if somebody gives you a contractor's warranty, you know, workmanship guarantee, whatever they want to call it, of like 5 years, that's how long they believe in the roof system. This is a lifetime system. We're giving a 30-year warranty.
30? That's longer than you've been in business.
I know.
That's huge.
Yeah, absolutely.
So you were talking about the customers. They become like your family a little bit. Talk about the customer satisfaction.
We love our customers. We truly do. Our customers are our business. And I still, even after 20 years, I still feel honored that they choose Right Way Roofing and they trust us enough to. It's a huge investment.
Yes.
It's a big deal. So I always say my customers get whatever they want.
Oh, Lori, get whatever you want and get a good roof to boot. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. Let's give you some information. Give Right Way Roofing a call today. 2 numbers there, 480-232-5458 or 602-299-8851. You can visit their website for more information, azroof.com.